Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I am preparing to send off some happy mail. Yay! Just in time for Easter. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in this little box. I'm going to pack it nice and I'm going to stuff it as much as I can. So here's the box. I usually like to do the priorities because I can stuff it as much as I want and it gets there quick, and just thinking it'll be easier to send. So I'm just going to put some little iridescent pink Easter grass, I guess I should say. And I'm going to put in the first item in the box, which is this little box. Now, it took me forever to get this done, but I absolutely love it. I have to make one for myself. Look how pretty this is. I used the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection, and it's a little caboodle, guys. Look how pretty this is. I need to learn how to use my sewing machine, but one of these days I will, and I will stitch this. But this is actually some like mesh or tulle, and I put some sequins back there and I layered it, and it's three-dimensional, and I added some trim, and it just looks so cute. I just love this so much. I just loved seeing it on my shelf displayed. And there's actually 2 sets of boxes in here. So what this reminds me of is a caboodle. Do you guys remember the caboodles where you would put your makeup? For those of you who are older, I guess, you'd put your makeup in it. Well, this opens up like this, and on this side I've put in some Flourish little cards and stuff for her to use. She could use for albums or for her project life. And on this side right here, I added some little pearls, and I made some labels. This is for her. Hopefully she likes them. She can use them on her projects or whenever she sends happy mail herself. And then there's this box, and in this box, there's like 4 little compartments. And on this side right here, I just had some ephemera cut up for her so that she can use also in her projects. And I made these adorable little bows in the coordinating papers. Aren't they cute? And then I added a little pop-up so that she can stick them when she wants to use them. But they are super adorable. I love them. I have so much fun making these little boxes, these little Happy Mail craft projects. So these are little banners, and they have the little stick-ups, the little pop-up dots so that she can use them. And then embellish, you can use these for pages or, you know, whatever you would want to decorate. And then I just added some fun tassels. Right now, tassels are in for charms for anything. So I just gave her a couple of those in different colors in the coordinating papers. And so, oops, I forgot the top. The top like that. And then this folds back up like so. And then this top like that. If you guys want to know how to make this, I will link up the description, the inspiration and tutorial. I believe it's called, I think she's a BBZ Kraftz. I'll go ahead and put that in the description box if you guys would like to know how to make this, but it is so cute. So I'm just gonna wrap it. Hopefully it gets there and it's not all smashed. I'll just put that, this is like my biggest item. Box here. And to this, I will add, got her a little hop to it with a little matching pen. Put that in there. And I'm going to get her putting a peanut butter chocolate bunny. Put that in there. I'm also gifting her, I thought this is super cute. Like, it's spring, total spring. It's like an apron, and it has a matching oven mitt. I always like to match my kitchen and kitchen stuff with the coordinating holidays. So I thought I'd put that in there. And I got her these fun stamps. Spring finishes and summer's around the corner. So she has some summer stamps. And I got her this cute little notebook so she can use it for grocery shopping or whatever she wants to use it for. And it's a little happy planner. Happy planner notebook, I guess I should say. And I got her this Color Story sticker set, I guess. And it's 725 stickers in it, and it's got all these cool stickers that she can use for her planner. She's a planner girl. Put that in there. And of course, I got to give her more candies. So some Easter M&Ms. Make sure I stuff everything. And I got her also a little Happy Notes. It's a little notebook she can use and put that in her purse. And then a little tea tree and witch hazel mud mask so that she can use for relaxing. She works a lot, so she needs some relax time. And I stuffed this little egg and I put some socks in there. Like, we have a thing for socks, so we always have to have socks for the holidays. There's different kinds of holidays. So I'll stuff that right there. I got her these fun little cookie cutters that she can make cookies with her kiddos. I got her this cute little Easter bunny pen. I'm a sucker for pens. I don't know. I have to buy them all. And then I made these cute little flourish Maggie Holmes inspired embellishments that I made for her. And I put that together. Made some embellishment tickets. And all these I packaged myself and made the little tags and you know, try to embellish it to make it look cute. And this is also a Maggie Holmes inspired little embroidery tassels. Not tassels, I don't know what they call them, like bows, embroidery bows. And packaged that. I'm trying to add more of this little fun Easter stuff. Oh, Easter grass. This is like jam-packed. I wish I wanted to send her more stuff, but I ran out of room. Stuff to put in. And I want to send her favorite is chocolate marshmallows. So I wanted to definitely send her some of these. I'm hoping it doesn't get smashed or it doesn't melt. Or stuff that in there. And I'm sending her a little Easter card that I made for her. And just stuffing this in like so. And so that completes my Happy Mail Outgoing package. I'm hoping to send it to her tomorrow. And hopefully she gets it on time so that she can enjoy these little goodies. I have so much fun putting these together. And it just makes my day sending stuff out to her. And, you know, I'm sure she loves receiving it as well. I know I do. I love receiving Happy Mail. You know, nowadays we hardly get anything in the mail nowadays except for bills. So it's just, you know, make someone day. So thanks guys for joining me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.